Hello everybody, this is Shankar from System Based Labs. Welcome back. In the previous video, we explored how an intelligent automation system works in the Microsoft Azure ecosystem. We saw how invoices can be understood, validated, and processed automatically. Now, let us take that same thinking and apply it to a completely different problem. This time, in the world of banking and financial services. Case study, customer onboarding automation with risk scoring and dynamic decisioning. Let us begin with the reality. When a new customer applies for a bank account, they are required to submit multiple documents: identity proof, address proof, financial information, compliance documents. Now, traditionally, what happens? A team reviews these documents manually. They verify the data. They check compliance rules. They assess risk. But then they decide whether to approve or reject the application. This process is slow. It is inconsistent and it is difficult to scale. More importantly, it exposes the organization to serious risks: fraudulent identities, incomplete verification, delayed onboarding, and poor customer experience. So the real question becomes, can we build a system that can understand customer data, evaluate risk in real time, and make intelligent onboarding decisions? The answer is yes. Solution overview. We design an intelligent onboarding system, a system that can capture customer data, extract meaningful information, analyze risk, make decisions, and execute workflows, and involve humans only when needed. Now, let us walk through how this system works. When a customer submits an application, all documents are first collected and stored in Amazon S3. This becomes the foundation of our system. Now, the documents are available, but they are still unstructured. So the next step is to understand them. For this, we use Amazon Textract. Textract reads documents just like a human would. It extracts text and understands forms. It processes structured and unstructured content. Now we have clean, structured data. But understanding data is not enough. We must evaluate it. This is where intelligence comes in. Using Amazon SageMaker, we build models that analyze customer profiles. These models can detect anomalies. They can identify suspicious patterns and evaluate risk categories. So now the system is not just reading data, it is understanding risk. But risk alone is not the final decision. We now need a system that can take that intelligence and turn it into action. This is where AWS Step Functions comes in. It orchestrates the entire decision flow. Based on risk scores and compliance logic, the system can decide, approve, reject, or escalate. Now decisions are no longer static. They are dynamic and context aware. But there is one more layer. We want the system to explain its decisions. This is where we use LangChain with language models. This layer connects intelligent models with enterprise data to generate explanations. It helps summarize customer profiles and provide context for decisions. Now the system explains. Once the decision is made, we move to execution using RPA tools like Automation Anywhere or UiPath. The system completes onboarding steps, updates core systems, and creates customer profiles. It triggers notifications and completes back-end processes. Now execution is fully automated. All this data must be stored and tracked. Amazon S3 continues to store documents and logs, and Amazon DynamoDB stores structured customer data and onboarding status. We have a complete data layer to connect everything together. We use AWS Lambda and event-based integrations for seamless communication. And finally, we introduce human oversight. Humans can review flag cases and ensure compliance. This is what we call human in the loop. Now let us step back and look at the full flow. A customer submits, S3 stores, Textract extracts, SageMaker evaluates, Step Functions drives logic, RPA execute. Data is stored and tracked. Humans intervene only when necessary. This is a complete system. Business outcomes. What do we achieve? Onboarding becomes significantly faster. Decisions become consistent and intelligent. Operational costs are reduced. fraud detection improves, and customer experience becomes seamless. This system is ideal for banks, fintech companies, and insurance providers. Onboarding is critical. Why AWS? It provides a powerful ecosystem for this kind of system, scalable and secure. Strong security, flexible AI/ML services, and event-driven architecture for resilient systems. Closing thought. You are no longer designing workflows. You are designing systems that understand customers. They evaluate risk and make decisions in real time. And that changes everything. Now, if you want to go one step further and actually build a version of this system yourself, we will soon be releasing a hands-on lab series where you will learn step by step. So you do not just understand, you build. We will see you in the next video. Video 8, Google Cloud Intelligent Automation System. This is Shankar from System Based Labs. Good luck on your building journey and goodbye until next time.